I'm going to be showing you how to replace the starter on a 2004 Pontiac Vibe. What I'm going to do is take the terminal off the battery just so you don't get any shortage, anything like that. So for this, it's going to be a 13mm socket. Same thing with this one. Just take that out. You're losing them, already losing them for the video. You know, you just basically put them out the side, just like that. You're all done with the battery. I'm going to come here and see this fan right over here. There's going to be a 10mm bolt right over here. I already took one out. And then another one on the other side, as you can see right there. You're going to take those two 10mm bolts out. You can see I took this 10mm bolt out. And we're just going to place it up here. Don't make sure you don't lose them. From here, you're going to have this little plug right over here. You're going to want to disconnect this plug. So basically this little pin right over here, you just go ahead and push it down and then pull it out just like that. And then just place it to the side, right over here somewhere. And then remove this line right over here. Take it out from here, I guess. It's going to be much easier if you take it out of here. Just like that, you should be able to pull off your fan. I forgot one thing. So there's a little clip here holding this, you know, the plug that we just took off. So you're gonna go ahead and just get something to pry it out. Because this is already old, so you can see it just came off. See if I can focus right there. Take it out, and then voila, there goes your fan. Put it down gently. Make sure you don't break it. You can see your starter's right over here. So we got a plug. We got a plug here. Two main things we're gonna be working on. This plug right over here, this bolt, and I believe the one in the back right over here. Yep, the one in the back. So for this plug, again, I'm trying to use both hands. I'm doing this video at the same time. But you're gonna go ahead and pinch it and then pull it out to the side. As you can see, we're gonna be taking this bolt out, and it's 12. So I'm gonna use this rod ratchet. There you go, just like that. It's loosening up. Oh, come on, get in there. I'm trying to do both hands at the same time. Give me a second, guys. You can see, loosen it up. Make sure you don't lose these, because we don't know if the new one comes with it. So rather be safe than sorry. And just like that. You're gonna go ahead and remove. So as you can see right here, this cable right here. Go ahead and move it to the side. You're gonna go ahead and take out that 12mm in the back. As you can see, I'm just trying to do it with both hands. Get something smaller. I mean, this is way too long, but for the video purposes and right now, I'm just trying to get it done quick. I'm on a time limit. I got a couple other jobs I gotta do. I just want to show you how to take this starter off this car and replace it. And that's what it looks like when it's out. Go ahead, make sure you don't misplace them. I'm putting all of them right here. Go ahead and remove it out the way. So where we at? Right here. And just keep wiggling it out until it comes out. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand and trying to record, so see how good I can do. Come on. No, I'm gonna need both hands. We're gonna worry about the bolts that hold in the starter. So right here you got a 14mm bolt. That's one of them in there. This one's gonna be the one that's in pain in the ass. This is the only bolt that's gonna give you a little bit of trouble. But if you look under the throttle body, there's a 14mm. I'm trying to get it right there where I have the extension. There's a 14mm bolt, and what I'm using is an extension here with a 14 and a ratchet. And we're gonna go ahead and take it out. I already loosened it up, but that's really the only bolt that's gonna give you a little bit of trouble. Other than that, this job's pretty ain't rocket science. And once you bolt in a little bit, you can do it by hand after. You go ahead and remove all this. You can see it's already wiggling. So I just gotta go ahead and keep taking the one that's down here, which is the bottom one I showed you, and then take the top one off, and then basically your starter comes right off. And this is what your 14mm should look like. That's one of the bolts. The other one is that one, and then you're good to go. Take it out. And after a few turns, that's your second bolt right there. Oh yeah, this one was a little pain in the ass. I had to go in and out a few times. Looks like the last person who tried to do it or something maybe messed it up there. I don't know. But I had to go back and forth a little bit. But that's good anyways. And then your starter, it just came out. So just like that, that's how you remove your starter. And basically just reorder everything because the customer doesn't have the part yet. So I'm just making the video to show you how to remove basically. And replacing it is just reverse order what I just did. So you got 12mm bolts, plug there holding it, you know, and then the two 14mm bolts that hold it. Yeah, this thing looks pretty shot. It looks like it's taking a beating. But I hope you liked the video. I hope to see you soon. I appreciate if you guys drop that follow, drop that like, as it helps me in the algorithm. and we are YouTube partnership, so I appreciate every single help you guys been doing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys want any other videos to see on the future videos on my channel, hit me up and comment down below. See you guys later.